হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম রাম হরে 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 কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে 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 কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে।
Now the speech session, and this session will be conducted by Pankaj Das. He is the president of Durga Temple, and I'm requesting everyone, make your speech is 2 minutes, maximum 3 minutes. That's the limit we decided. So I'm giving to the Pankaj, and he will conduct the speech session. Thank you, Pankaj.
Thank you. First of all, thank you so much for everyone being here. It's a nice day today. We thought it would be much colder, but thank you everyone. Like I said, what we are going to do is this is the first time, first of all, that all 4 temples organize something in Nagin. So this is by itself is an achievement. I'm so proud of this. But we are here today to discuss concerns with what is happening with migrants in Bangladesh.